Welcome all to the Power BI desktop tutorials for beginners. In today's session, we'll be understanding how to create a pie chart. So let's go into report view. Here we see the pie chart visual. So we'll click on the visual here. So we see a blank pie chart visual been created here. We'll resize it, get into the center. We see two options which have come up here. One is the legend, the values. In legend, we will be dragging up countries data field, and in the values we'll be dragging up some of the sales. So we see a pie chart being created with the sum of the sales country wise. Here we see various countries as legends, and here we see color combinations of those countries here, and the percentage or the values data value of the sum of sales. Here if we keep our cursor over the color or the pie chart slice, we see country as Mexico, sum of sales as this value, and in the bracket we see percentage. Now, since it is not properly visible, we'll go into focus mode so that we can see it more better. So here we see various values and the percentage and the legend countries. Now we will do some formatting over this pie chart. We'll go into format your visuals, and now this values which you see outside the pie chart can also be taken inside the pie chart depending how you want to show your visual. For example, in a video presentation or in a PowerPoint slide presentation or into uh, on your web pages, anywhere where you're trying to put this pie charts or where you're trying to show this visual. So we'll go into an option of visual here, and we see various options such as legend, slice, data labels, rotation. We'll go into data labels. Here we see position of the data label. We see an outside position, which is the current position. When I click inside, you see the data values have gone inside and the percent value too. If you say prefer outside, it will be outside, prefer inside, inside. So we'll just keep it outside. Your label content, let's say in this legend, we want this legends to be included here in this data value and the percent value too. So we can select only the data value, the percent value. Uh, at the same time, you can select data value and percent value. At the same time, you can select all detail labels. So when you click on this, you see United States of America and the value Canada and the value France and the value, the countries and the data value and the percent value related to it. Here you can go into values option. You can increase the font size of the labels. At the same time, you can make it bold if you want it. At the same time, you can change the font of it, and the color of it will not change anything, but you can do that if you wish to. We can see more options in legend. Legends, you can move it the way you want. Right now it is in this position. You can also change the text of the legend by changing the font size, or making it bold. We see the legends are bold. So this is options related to legend, the text option, and the title option too. Now the country, the legend mentioned here is country, so we can also change the title of the legend here. We go into slice, we can change the color of the slice as we wanted. So let's see, we'll change the color of this slice to this particular color. You see a color has been changed here. Right now the filters section is not into use, so we'll just minimize it so that we can see it more better, the visual. You can change the slice colors here. For more formatting, we'll try to get into another tab called a general. Here you will see various kind of options again. So we'll go into property. Here you can change the height and width of this pie chart. accordingly the way you want it. You can place the position where you want to, in this entire frame, your pie chart. At the same time, you go into titles. The title, we'll try to go back into a normal. The title here, sum of sales by country. You can increase the font size of the title here to 18. You can make it bold, and we can center align the title. So that is how we get the title in the center. And you can try many more options in format your visuals and try to make your visual more better for your purpose. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our channel. Click on subscribe, like and notification button.